Let's start next point from the building communication and ventilation. So in the previous videos we have covered the doors and types of doors. Then the next vertical communication member is windows. So this is a concept map showing the details of windows, that is types of windows and again component parts of windows that we have seen in the doors. First types of uh, windows and then the next component parts of windows. The types of windows again subdivided into two categories. First one based on material and movement of windows, and the second is based on the position of the window. Okay, uh, there are basically 6 types of windows according to the or on the basis of material used and the movement of window. First one is fully paneled windows, then partly panel and glazed windows, metal windows, sash windows, sliding windows, and lowered windows. Then second type, that is based on the position, where should be the position of that window in the building. Based on that the windows are classified: bay windows, then corner windows, clear story windows, dormer windows. Okay, dormer windows, then lantern windows, gable windows, and skylight windows. Okay, so these are the types of windows and the component major. Again, two components of windows are there. First, window frame and window shutter. Okay, here it is window frame and here window shutter. So let's see the details. So first of all, what is meant by window? A window is defined as an opening in a wall of a building to serve one or more of the functions, and that functions are like natural light, to provide natural light inside the building, then natural ventilation and vision. Okay, that is the major purpose of providing window in the building. So what should be the selection criteria for windows? On which the on which criteria window types are selected? The selection of suitable windows in a particular place should be dependent on the following factors, and these factors are the location of room, size of room, direction of window, climatic conditions, utility of room. Okay, all these factors should be considered while providing or deciding the type of window. Architectural point of view, then placement of windows in room. The following points should be taken into consideration. First, size and number should be sufficient. Minimum 10% of floor area of residential building and 15% of the floor area of public building should be covered by that window. Okay, this is the criteria. The windows should be located opposite to each other as far as possible. Okay, they should be placed at 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter above the floor level. This is again important. Okay, the position of window from the floor level should be at height 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter above the floor level. The shutter of window should open on outside to check entry of rainwater. Then the types of windows used in building. There are so many types of windows are available based on their positions, materials, moment of shutter and functioning. So we'll see some basic types. Windows are classified as these: fully panel windows, partly panel and glazed windows. Third, wooden windows. The next, metal windows. It includes steel windows, aluminum windows. Then sash windows, sliding windows, lowered windows, bay windows. Then next, corner windows, clay story windows, dormer windows, lantern windows, gable windows, and 14th last, skylights. These are the types of windows generally used. So before going to study the types of windows in detail, let's have a look over the components of windows first. First component part of the window is again window frame. Same to door frame. The components of window frames are post or jamb, head, seal, transom, hold fast, horn, etc. You can see in this diagram. Then shutter panel, stile, top rail, bottom rail, intermediate or lock rail panel, mullion. Okay, these again the component parts that we have studied in the types of doors or component parts of the doors. So the component parts and their names almost same for doors and windows. So let's directly see the types of windows. First, panel windows and partly panel. Partly glazed windows. This type of window consists of frame work of vertical member called stile and horizontal member called rails, which are glued along the inner edge of the frame to receive the panels. Okay. The panels are made from timber, plywood, blackboard, and even of glasses also. Such windows may be fully paneled and partly glazed or fully glazed. Okay. Then glazed windows are provided where additional light is required to admitted to room through the door or where the visibility of interior of the room is mentioned. Okay. So fully panel windows, partly panel and partly glazed windows, and these are fully glazed windows. Okay. So this is about panel windows and partly panel windows. Then the second type is wooden windows. Okay, this is again common type of window and generally used for the residential as well as public buildings. It consists a wooden framework of vertical member called stile and horizontal member are called as rail are glued along inner edge of frame to receive the wooden or glass panels. These are economical where timber is cheap and easily available. Okay, this type is preferred when the raw material, that is wood or timber, is available easily at nearby site. So these are the wooden windows. Then third type is metal and aluminum windows. Metal windows made up of mild steel, aluminum or bronze, etc. are becoming popular in private or well as public buildings because of their high durability and strength, less cost and better in appearance. Okay, the commonly used sections for the fabrication of these types of windows are the angle sections, then Z section, T section, channel sections. This type of metal sections are generally used for the fabrication of these types of windows. Then aluminum windows are also becoming popular for domestic building, isn't it? Okay, they are rust proof, durable, and require no maintenance and painting, and that's why they are becoming popular in domestic building also. What are advantages of metal windows? Okay, so the metal frame may be fixed directly to the wall, as it may be fixed on wooden frame. Okay, for as it is easy for installation. Normally, first option is adopted because it is cheaper. Okay, they are directly fixed in the window. We can just fix by using some features and fastening. It consists a framework of vertical member called stile and horizontal member are rail glued along inner edge of the frame to receive the panels. Okay, so the fourth type. So these are the some pictures of metal and aluminum windows. Okay, just look out on these pictures that we might have, everyone might have seen. Okay, then the fourth type, lowered windows. Lowered windows are provided for the ventilation only, and they do not permit any outside vision. Okay, this is a main property of this type of window. They just provide only for ventilation, and they do not permit the outside vision. That means we can't see from these windows. Okay, the shutter consists of top and bottom rails and two styles which are grooved to receive and lowers. The lower are generally fixed at 45-degree slope. Okay, the slope is about 45-degree downward to the outer side of the rainwater. Okay, the purpose of providing this slope, that is 45-degree downward, that is for the runoff rainwater from the building. Sometimes ventilation blind shutters are provided in which the movable lower can be open or closed by means of operating device known as ventilium blind. Okay, and this type of window is used to restrict vision and light as per requirement of cabin, conference hall, seminar hall. Okay, for these types of purpose, the lowered windows are suitable. Fixed lowers are non-movable, allow only ventilation. This type of windows are provided in WC and bath. Okay, these are the lowered windows. Then the next, okay, these are the lowered windows you have might seen in our WC and bath, and again commonly used in offices, cabin. Okay, where the outer vision is not necessary from the inside users. Then the fourth type, bay windows. This type of window provided for obtaining light and ventilation from two adjoining slides. These windows project outside of external wall of room. Okay, like this. These are totally constructed outside the walls of that room. Then the sixth, corner windows. At name itself indicates that corner windows are provided in the corner of room. Light and air admitted from both sides. Okay, as it is located at the corner, light and air admitted from two sides. more vision on two directions, building appearance get improved. Okay, as these are constructed at corner, so ultimately appearance of that building improves. They need heavy lintels. Corner post of windows should be strong enough to take load due to the deflection of lintel and impact load from the shutters. Okay, so this is about the first 6 types of windows. We'll see the remaining types of windows in the upcoming video. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you.